This Japanese-style tiny cabin home is a refined example of how thoughtful design can transform a limited space into a harmonious, functional sanctuary. Rooted in minimalist principle and traditional Japanese spatial strategies, the cabin prioritizes clarity, simplicity, and purpose, especially in how private and communal zones are carefully balanced. The heart of privacy in this tiny cabin lies in the bedroom, which is enclosed with sliding partition panel inspired by traditional fusuma. This partition not only preserves valuable floor space by eliminating the need for swinging doors, but also allow the bedroom to merge or separate seamlessly from the adjacent space depending on use or time of day. The partition maintains a sense of visual lightness, helping the cabin feel open and breathable despite its compact size. Within the bedroom lies a masterstroke of space efficiency, a complete wall system of built-in cabinetry. These custom-designed cabinets vary in depth and form. Some reach floor to ceiling for seasonal storage. Others include small drawers for daily items, and overhead compartments are subtly integrated above the sleeping area. The built-ins follow clean, straight lines and are finished in natural wood tones to retain the warmth and calming essence of Japanese interior. This concentration of storage in the bedroom fills up the rest of the cabin from bulky furniture, creating a more open and meditative living environment. In contrast, the living room is designed with minimal storage, allowing it to fully serve its social and functional purpose. The open floor space flows directly into the kitchen, where counters and appliances were arranged linearly for maximum efficiency. The bathroom and toilet are separated but adjacent, utilizing modular design and high-efficiency fixtures to conserve space while ensuring comfort. This spatial hierarchy, storage, focus private quarters, and serve-optimized communal areas allows the tiny cabin to meet the diverse needs of its residents without sacrificing serenity or freedom of movement. The result is a home that feels much larger than its footprint suggests, wrapped in the timeless elegance of Japanese design.